32, a new partner can be admitted, and after admission, the new partner gets the following right to share future profits of the firm, right to have share in the assets of the firm.
वीडियो ओपन कर दो अंजलि किधर है इसमें कैसे हाँ अंजलि हाँ बोलिए
After the admission of a partner, he gets the following right to share profits of the firm and right to share in the assets of the firm, and become liable for any liability of business incurred after admission, and following adjustment are needed at the time of admission. Calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio, calculation of goodwill and its treatment, accounting treatment of reserves and valuation of assets and liabilities. Sacrificing ratio is the ratio in which old or the existing partner sacrifices their share of profits in favor of new or the incoming partner, and old ratio sacrifice equals to old ratio minus new ratio. The new ratio in which all partners, including the new or the incoming partner, will share future profits and losses of the firm. New ratio um, calculation of profit sharing ratio can be done in two cases: when there is new information given about the sacrifice of the partner, and when complete information is given about the sacrifice. Then second one is accounting treatment of goodwill. When a partner comes into the firm, he brings capital and premium for goodwill. When he brings capital, the following entry is passed: bank or cash account debit to new partner's capital account,
okay thank you
and
अंजलि
uh,
okay now अंजलि answer the questions
yes, sir.
okay so are you ready for questions
Yes, sir.
so first question is that what are the provisions of accounting standard number 26 about treatment of goodwill
Sir, goodwill should be accounted in the books of account only when worth is paid for it, when goodwill is purchased.
okay if the new partner does not bring goodwill in cash what is the entry for adjustment of goodwill
Sir, partners current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account.
okay what is the use of gaining ratio
Sir, gaining ratio is calculated when partners retires from the firm.
use of gaining ratio what is the use of gaining ratio
Sir, it is distributed amongst the existing partners.
okay now next question is that in case of death of the partner how sorry how the profit till the date of death can be calculated उसकी डेथ तक का प्रॉफिट कैसे निकाल सकते हैं
Sir, from the beginning of the financial year to the till the date of the death.
कैसे निकालते हैं मेथड क्या है उसका okay after transferring to the realization account furniture realized rupees 20,000 what will be the entry after transferring to the realization account furniture realized rupees 20,000 what will be the entry
The realization account debit to furniture.
okay now when partners capitals are returned in the case of dissolution of firm what is the entry for returning or repaying the
Sir, can you
capitals of
repeat?
the partners Okay, last question. I will ask 7 questions to each of you. Okay. Now, in case of retirement of a partner, how the amount due is settled? In case of retirement of the partner, how is the amount due to the retiring partner can be settled?
Sir, by cash or by bank?
By cash or by bank, or if cash is not available?
To loan.
Loan account. Okay, thank you, Anjali. So you answered uh, 3.5 questions correctly out of 7 questions. Okay. Now, Aditya, are you ready? आदित्य कावरा है कि चला गया? आदित्य चला गया. अनुराग जैन.
Yes, sir.
अनुराग.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Listen. अनुराग ने पीपीटी बनाया, कैसे बताएगा?
नहीं सर, एक पिक्चर है सर, एक पिक्चर शो करना है.
ठीक है. टॉपिक क्या है आपका?
Sir, my main topic is dissolution and I have took subtopic is realization account under accounting.
Okay, good, good.
Dissolution of firm.
Okay, good, good. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. बोलना. Sir, my audio is visible or audio is audible?
हाँ, it is audible.
And sir, my presentation is visible?
हाँ, दिख तो रहा है, लेकिन ये कहीं मेरे उसमें छिप रहा है स्क्रीन में. चलो आप तो करो प्रेजेंट. बाकी लोग को दिख रहा है क्या बेटा? सही राम. प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है क्या अनुराग को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अनुराग, go ahead.
Sir. Realization account. So realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution to realize the correct value or the market value of assets and liability.
Okay.
Sir, as everyone can see the format of realization account. Sir, left hand side is debit side and right hand side is. Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए, go ahead.
Sir, left hand side is debit side and left hand side is credit side. When any asset is, sir, every asset is transferred to realization account on debit side. And
सेव तो हो जाएगी, लेकिन बाद में बीच में बाद में करेंगे सर.
कर देंगे ना फिर.
इसके लिए क्या करना होता है?
तो उसमें से कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, अपना बात. ठीक है. ओके, अनुराग, go ahead.
yes, sir. And sir, as we can see, format of realization account in this debit side, the items are all assets, and in credit side there are all
तो
liabilities
देखिए,
and provision only the provision which is attached with stuff like the provision for bad debts, which is attached with debtors. So it will come into realization in realization account. And sir, payment of liabilities can be shown in debit side and payment of assets are shown in credit side.
okay.
And sir, if any loss will be incurred in realization account, then this side will, then credit side will be shown and by partner capital account and yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my voice
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so come back to the meeting and open your video.
Yes, sir.
Anurag, open your video. Okay, so now ready for questions. Okay, first question: which type of account is realization account?
It's nominal account.
Okay, correct. Now, in case of death of the partner in between the year, his profit is given to him. His share of profit is given. What is the entry for that?
Sir, can you repeat?
Share of profit for the deceased partner. Entry for share of profit for deceased partner.
Share of profit for deceased partner. Sir, profit and loss suspense account to deceased partner.
Okay. Now, in case of dissolution of the firm, if there are certain unrecorded liabilities, how it will be paid? What will be the entry for payment of unrecorded liabilities?
Sir, realization to bank.
Okay. Now, in case of admission of the partner, if the premium is withdrawn by the partners, goodwill premium is withdrawn by the partners, what will be the entry? Sairam.
Sir, premium. Yes, sir, premium for goodwill.
Okay.
To partners account.
Sorry,
partners
wrong
account.
Okay.
Concern
Next
partner.
question is that what are the provisions of Partnership Act regarding the लंबा हो जाएगा छोड़ बताइए if a partner want to admit his son or daughter in if a partner wants to make his son or daughter partner in a firm in each place, can he do so?
Sir, he can do so after the consent of other partners.
Means other partners are okay.
And if the daughter or son.
Okay.
And sir, if son or daughter is not a minor, it's he or she is mature.
Okay. What are the rights of a partner in the firm? New partner. When a partner joins in the firm, what
the rights of a new partner you said?
Sairam.
Yes, sir. Sir, he will get profit, the new profit of that organization, future profit means.
Okay.
And sir, all rights which old partners have. Sir, all rights which all partners have, like he will get interest, 6% interest if not given in the accounting standard or their agreement.
No. That is not the correct thing. Our first part is correct. He will get the profit in the firm. Okay. Now, next question. Mention only two conditions in which a firm will be compulsorily dissolved. Anurag.
Sir, first is legally if court orders that this firm should be dissolved. As
I am not able to listen to you. Please speak clearly. Anurag, you are watching somewhere.
Sir, now.
Okay,
no,
that's
sir.
clear. Okay.
See now.
Okay. Any two conditions in which firm will be dissolved?
First, if a partner will become insolvent, all partners become insolvent.
Any one partner become insolvent or all partners become insolvent?
All partners become insolvent.
Okay, second condition.
Everyone is insolvent, how they will run the. And sir, if court orders that it is illegal business or something.
Half is correct. Half is not correct. Court order is a different issue. I have asked about the compulsory dissolution. That is a different condition, and court dissolution by court is a different situation. Okay.
And
now,
if all partners are unsound mind, not sound minded.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half, 5. You answered 5 questions correctly. Okay. Now, Deepanshi. Deepanshi, are you there? Deepanshi है क्या? Deepanshi नहीं है. Harshi, Sairam.
Sairam, sir.
Go with presentation.
Yes, sir. My allotted chapter is retirement of partner, and I am going
Okay.
to give a list about the accounting treatment of different things in this chapter, so that we can have a synopsis of in one go. So, first of all, I'll be telling about the treatment of goodwill. So, in accounting treatment of goodwill, we know that goodwill, all the firms does not open goodwill account. It's their choice. So, the accounting treatment can be done in two ways: by opening the goodwill account or by not opening the goodwill account. If we are opening the goodwill account, then first we will return off the old goodwill by all partners capital account debit to goodwill account, and then we will pass the entry for the retiring partners compensation, that is gaining partner. First we will calculate the gaining or sacrificing ratio and gaining partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. And simply, if we are not having any goodwill account opened, then the first entry will get eliminated, and we will credit the retiring partner and debit the gaining partners. Then in this case, an accounting standard is also used, that is accounting standard 26, that unless and until we doesn't have paid any consideration for goodwill, we can't open the goodwill account. That's why these two conditions arise. Then comes the concept of hidden goodwill. In hidden goodwill, when the firms do not have goodwill account opened in their books of accounts, then the goodwill then the goodwill is called as hidden goodwill paid to the retiring partner. When he is paid in lump sum, the excess amount paid to the retiring partner upon the share he should receive, that excess amount is called hidden goodwill, which we can calculate by amount paid in lump sum less the amount that should be paid after all adjustments. So the difference what we get is the hidden goodwill paid to the retiring partner. Then comes the revaluation of assets and the reassessment of liabilities, what we call on debit side, any decrease in value of assets and
Harshi, your topic is treatment of goodwill, na? Sairam.
No, sir, I said I'm going to explain about the accounting treatment of everything in the. In case of retirement, what are the things how we treat everything?
Okay, well, let me first ask you. You told in the beginning that there are two options available with the firm, that they can raise goodwill account or they may not raise a goodwill account. Is it right?
Yes.
So you explain only one condition where the firm raises goodwill account, does not raise goodwill account. Suppose if a firm wants to raise goodwill account, then how it can be raised, what entries will be passed?
Right. In both, if firm raises the goodwill account, then it has return of the existing goodwill.
Leave the existing goodwill. I am asking if the firm want to raise the goodwill account, then how can it be raised? What entry will be passed for raising the goodwill account?
In case of retirement or
in case of retirement, you choosing the topic of retirement, so I am asking about retirement. Sairam, you are not audible properly.
Yes, sir, can you repeat the question?
I am asking that in the beginning of this topic, you mentioned that there are two options with the firm to record the goodwill, whether to raise the goodwill account or not to raise the goodwill account. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so you explain only one condition where firm does not raise the goodwill account, so entry is that gaining partners capital account debit to retiring partner. That you explain. But you did not explain,
yes,
or I want to know how can the firm raise the goodwill account if they go for that option.
Then all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Then that way the goodwill account will be open.
Writing off of the existing goodwill. They want to raise. This is not the question of writing off. Writing off is different issue. If they want to raise, then what entry will they pass?
For that I don't know.
Okay, now stop with that much is sufficient. To come back, I am asking you questions for Viva. Okay. So now, what type of account is revaluation account?
Sir, it's a nominal account.
Okay. If the profit and loss account is shown to the asset side of the firm, what will be the entry for accounting treatment of it?
Sir, if it is it is shown on the asset side, then it's a loss. So all partners capital account debit to profit and loss account.
Please repeat.
Sir, as it is shown on the asset side,
Yeah,
so
that's
it
all.
will be a
Entry.
loss. Sir, all partners capital account debit to profit and loss account.
You are talking of admission or retirement?
Sir, you are asking in case of retirement, then it will be transferred to the capital accounts of the existing partners.
Transfer to the capital account of
Existing partners, those who are going to exist after retirement.
after retirement. Okay, so that's the wrong answer. Okay, now in case of admission of a partner, okay, when a new partner brings his share of goodwill premium in form of some assets. Suppose he brings furniture. What will be the entry?
Sir, furniture account debit to premium for goodwill account.
And second entry
For distribution, then premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners capital account.
in which ratio?
Old ratio.
Wrong answer. Old ratio.
Sorry, sir, sacrificing ratio.
Okay, sacrificing ratio. Now next question is that in case of retirement of a partner, if a partner has given loan to the firm, how will it be paid?
Sir, through cash or bank.
What will be the entry?
In case of retirement. Retiring partners capital account debit to cash or bank account.
No, it's not capital account.
Retiring partners
Okay.
loan account debit.
Next question. Don't turn. One answer will be accepted. You can't repeat the answers many times. Okay. Next one is what is the basic difference between realization account and revaluation account?
So the first basic difference is that we open the realization account in case of dissolution and revaluation account in case of admission, or in a way to say, we can say when there is a change in profit sharing ratio in case of admission or in case of retirement. And in case of revaluation account, the gain or loss which appears.
I asked about what is the basic difference. This is a common condition. It is opened at the time of revaluation, retirement or death or admission. What is the basic difference between revaluation account and realization account? What does revaluation account record and what does realization account record?
The revaluation account records any change in the value of assets and liabilities, and realization account is prepared to realize to sell out the liabilities and assets at the time of dissolution.
Okay, good. Now, any two conditions in which court will give the order for dissolution of firm?
Sir, when the The court can give the orders to dissolve the firm if it finds anything illegal in the business of the firm, and and if the and if there is case of insolvency.
Sorry, both are not correct conditions. Okay. Next one is the last one. In case of suppose creditors of rupees 50,000 transferred to realization account. It has been transferred to realization account. Listening, creditors of rupees 50,000 transferred to realization account. Now they are paid at 10% discount. What will be the entry?
Sir, can you repeat?
Creditors of rupees 50,000 already transferred to realization account. Okay. Now they are paid at 10% discount. What will be the entry?
Sir, realization account debit. Sorry, sir. Let me calculate. Sir, realization account debit to bank or to cash or bank account 45,000.
Okay, good, correct. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 answers are correctly answered by you. 4 questions are correctly answered. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now next one is Isans. Isans है क्या? नहीं है.
सर सर मैं केशव सर, मेरे को सर कहीं जाना है तो सर आप मेरा अभी ले सकते हो?
हाँ ले सकते हैं ना. अभी कार्तिक का हो जाएगा तो आज तो हो जाएगा ना. कार्तिक का भी हो जाएगा, तुम्हारी भी हो जाएगा, दोनों को हो जाएगा. कार्तिक और केशव दोनों को हो जाएगा. कार्तिक,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So go ahead with the presentation.
So my yes, sir. So my
Okay.
allotted chapter is admission of a partner. So I
Okay.
will be explaining the meaning of admission. Here the meaning of admission when a firm requests an additional means when a partner of a when a new partner can be admitted into the firm only when constituent of all the existing partners are unless otherwise agreed upon according to the section 31 of Indian
कार्तिक
Constitution.
अपना वीडियो ओपन करो.
Sir on है.
वीडियो ऑन नहीं है
Sir,
तुम्हारा. हाँ अभी
sir
बोलो.
on है.
हाँ अभी दिखाया मुझे. अभी फिर चला गया. मोर दिख रहा है उसमें, कार्तिक नहीं दिख रहा है.
Sir पता नहीं, मेरा तो on है sir.
हाँ हाँ चलो.
Sir.
Okay.
So the yes sir. So the meaning of admission of a partner is a mode of reconstitution of the firm. Here the meaning of reconstitution is when the there is an agreement between two or more person of sharing the profit of a business carried out by any one of them. If there is a change in the existing agreement, so there is an amount to be reconstitution of partners in the firm. This result in the end of the existing agreement and a new agreement.
If you are explaining admission or you are explaining reconstitution of firm?
Sir, according to the sir admission.
What is the meaning of admission?
Sir, when a new partner wants to come in the firm.
No, new partner want not. New partner is admitted in the firm. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So go ahead.
According to the section 31 of an Indian Partnership Act 1932, there are two rights given to the new partner. First one is the right to share the asset of a partner in the firm, and the second one is the right to share the profits of the or the goodwill in the firm.
Okay.
Then now I am going to explain the effects of admission on a partnership.
Okay.
First, the old partnership comes to an end and new partners come to an existence.
Okay.
However, the firm continues. Second one, new or upcoming partners become entitled to share future profits of the firm, and the combined share of the old partners get reduced. And adjustment is made for the reserve and accumulated profits. Now I'm going to tell about the what adjustment is made in the admission. So there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Then evaluation of goodwill is done, and adjustment of profit and loss is done.
Okay.
I'm going to tell the new profit sharing ratio.
Okay, leave
New
Karthik.
profit.
All right. Open your video. Karthik, video दिख नहीं रहा तेरा, ठीक से करो उसे.
सर मेरा
अभी दिख रहा है, बीच में क्यों नहीं दिखता है, क्या दिक्कत हो जाती है?
सर पता नहीं नेटवर्क दिक्कत है,
Okay.
पता नहीं.
Now, define sacrificing ratio. What is the meaning of sacrificing ratio? Meaning, not formula.
Yes, sir. Sacrificing ratio, when a one partner sacrifice to for other one.
No. Okay. Now, what is the formula of calculation of super profit?
Sir, normal profit minus sacrifice.
Okay. Next, what is the difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm?
Sir, dissolution of firm means where when firm is totally dissolved, where it can other partner cannot carry out the function. But in the dissolution of partner, the only partner can partner change is done, sir. Agreement and firms continue.
Okay. Any two conditions in which firm will be dissolved by court?
When there is so when there is only when their partner is not agreed upon their agreement, and
Sorry, okay. Now, what is the entry for treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner? Entry for treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement. Adjustment of goodwill.
sir, premium for goodwill account debit to all partners capital up.
अच्छा, रिटायरमेंट में प्रीमियम आता है क्या?
सर पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट टू गुडविल अकाउंट सर.
सॉरी, वहां तो गुडविल तो होता ही नहीं है. ओके, अगला बताओ. व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ अमाउंट ड्यू टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर? एंट्री फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ अमाउंट ड्यू टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. रिटायरिंग पार्टनर को जो शेयर है उसका पेमेंट करते हैं तो क्या एंट्री होती है उसके लिए? कार्तिक, बड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, क्या बात है?
सर वापस रिपीट कर दीजिए, इधर सुना ही नहीं दिया।
एंट्री फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ अमाउंट ड्यू टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर। Okay. Any three items which are shown to the credit side of partner's capital account. Any three items which are shown or recorded in the credit side of partner's capital account.
So first one, cash account. Then
Okay.
then the liabilities, sir, creditors,
Okay.
and the profit if in case of loss.
Okay, thank you कार्तिक, बड़ा पुअर परफॉर्मेंस किया तुमने। कितना सिंपल है, कितनी बार कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाया अभी तक? कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाते क्या क्या लिखते हैं क्रेडिट साइड में? हाँ केशव, साईराम केशव, आर यू देयर केशव? Yes,
सर
start.
मैं प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ सर स्क्रीन।
हाँ जी।
सर दिख रही है?
सर मीटिंग में नहीं है केशव।
केशव सर मीटिंग से निकल लिए।
अच्छा,
और दिख भी नहीं रही।
हाँ दिख भी नहीं रही, सही कह रहा है।
ठीक है।
कर ले भाई, तब तक प्रेजेंट कर ले, कहीं बीच में सर आए तो।
केशव है, सर नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं भाई सर।
सिद्धार्थ सर नहीं निकल लिए।
क्या कह रहे हैं शरद? साईराम सर।
Okay, okay, start presentation. कैसा कुछ नहीं है स्क्रीन पर भी?
सर अब आ गया?
नहीं है, अभी आ रहा है।
हाँ सर।
Okay, now it's available. Okay, please go ahead.
Death of a partner. A partnership firm is a type of organization that is established by two or more individuals with a common objective of revenue generation. The organization witnesses changes in certain events such as admission of a partner, retirement, or death of a partner. In the death of a partner, the structure of partnership is changed in the same way as when a partner retires. The impact of such change is discussed in this article.
Okay.
Treatment treatment of reserve, accumulated profit, and accumulated losses in case of death of a partner. Reserve, existing goodwill, accumulated profit, and losses appear in the balance sheet of the firm at the time of the death of a new partner, belong to all the partners, including in the retirement or a deceased partner. Following are the general entries required to be passed. Distribution of existing goodwill, all capital account debit to goodwill account. distribution of reserve fund / general reserve account debit to all partners capital account, distribution of accumulated profit, all partners capital account debit to profit and loss account, distribution of accumulated profit and loss account debit to all partners capital account. Deceased partner. According to Indian Partnership Act 1932, deceased partner is the one who has discontinued the partnership due to his death. A contract between the partners of the enterprise is not dissolved by the death of a partner. The estate of a dead partner is not responsible for any act of the enterprise done after his death.
Okay,
ठीक है सर.
that's all.
और सर बताओ. The accounting treatment in the occurrence of a death of a partner is when a partner retires, and that in the case of deceased partner, his belonging is transferred to a legal enforcees
Okay, come
and
back to
settled. Yes, sir.
Come back to the meeting.
Okay, sir.
Okay, open a video, okay, sir. Okay, so how is the profit of deceased partner for current year till the date of his death is calculated? Be quick, please, in answering.
Sir, on the two bases.
Okay,
So first, on the profit basis and on the sales basis.
okay,
On the sales basis, previous year sale upon previous year profit upon previous year sale into current year sales and into share of the
okay,
partner. And on the profit basis, average profit into share into month.
okay. Now, in case of death of a partner, if the capital of Mr. X is a deceased partner, okay, and he worked for 6 months, okay, are you understanding? X is a deceased partner,
Yes, sir.
he worked for 6 months in the firm, his capital is 5 lakh rupees, and rate of interest is 10% per annum. How will we calculate the interest on capital?
Sir, सर एक बार रिपीट कर दोगे?
5 lakh capital, he worked for 6 months, rate of interest is 10%.
Sir, 25,000.
25,000. Okay. Now, in case of death of a partner, what will be the entry for settling his account? Entry to settle the account of a deceased partner.
Deceased partner capital account debit to cash account.
Sorry, he cannot be paid in cash. Okay, next one. If a partner is being admitted in the firm, what changes will be there in the constitution of the firm?
Sir, एक बार और.
In case of admission of the partner, what changes will take place in the firm?
Sir, new profit sharing ratio will be decided.
Okay.
और sir,
Okay. Now, suppose there is a bank loan in the balance sheet of the firm, which is dissolved. Bank loan in the balance sheet of the firm, which is dissolved. how it will be treated at the time of dissolution of firm. Okay, is someone helping you, Keshav?
Yes, sir.
Is someone helping you from the side?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, bank account में
What I asked, there is a bank loan in the balance sheet of the firm which is dissolved. How it will be treated?
Sir, in the realization account.
I don't know how to treat. You have to explain how to treat it. Okay, now there are creditors of rupees 50,000 and they accepted furniture for rupees 40,000. Creditors of rupees 50,000, they accepted furniture for rupees 40,000. What will be the entry? Creditors of rupees 50,000, they accepted the furniture of rupees 40,000.
Sir, no entry.
No entry because it is not. I have not said in full settlement.
Yes, sir, no entry.
What will be the difference of 10,000? Creditors
सर
are
रियलाइजेशन डेबिट टू बैंक होगा सर, पेमेंट करेंगे.
क्या होगा?
रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक होगा, पेमेंट करेंगे.
कितना पेमेंट करेंगे?
10,000 सर, जो डिफरेंस.
Okay. Now, how are the losses settled in case of dissolution of firm? Sequence of payment of losses or settlement of losses at the time of dissolution of firm.
सर डेबिट.
Okay. What debit? Okay. Thank you, Keshav.
सर एक बार और बोल देंगे क्वेश्चन.
I asked sequence of settlement of losses. How are the losses settled in case of dissolution? So you are searching somewhere.
नो सर, आउटसाइड लायबिलिटीज पहले आएंगी, फिर उसको ऐसे.
Okay, okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 3.5 questions correctly answered by you. Manvi.
सर
सर
अभी नहीं सर, अभी टाइम
सर इको
है ना?
सर
टाइम
टाइम सर प्रेजेंटेशन था
तो नहीं, आज नहीं होगा बेटा अब ना. मुझे 11th क्लास में भी गूगल असेसमेंट है मेरा, अगली क्लास में. तो कल हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, 10 से 11 में रखते हैं. सही राम, we will have one extra class from 10 AM to 11 AM for this presentation and Google assessment. ये आपका जो है ना वाइवा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? I will send a link for 10 to 11 in which we will have this presentation and all this. ठीक है? सही राम.
ओके सर.
10 से 11 में करेंगे हम लोग, तो आपका ही हो जाएगा. फिर शाम को एक क्लास भी है तो उसमें हम लोग कर लेंगे इसको. ओके, थैंक यू. यू कैन लीव नाउ. सही राम.
साई राम सर.
सही राम.
सर